Riddle me this. How come Kamala's endorsements all sound like their Batman Gotham villain list? Or stripper names? Sexy Red, Usher, P. Diddler, BlackRock, Pfizer, Oprah Winfrey, The Rock, Nicki Minaj, Beyonce, Bad Bunny, Eminem, Lizzo, Bruce Springsteen, Billie Eilish, and Phineas, Jamie Lee Curtis, Megan Thee Stallion, Hillary and Bill Clinton, Barack and Mike Obama, Oprah Winfrey, Pink, Spike Lee, Bill Nye, Sigourney Weaver, Neil deGrasse Tyson, Howard Stern and Stephen King, basically the same people that are on the Epstein and Diddy list.